Hello, my name is Andrew Dujak, and I will be completing the Feijoada presentation. I will be looking at regions in Brazil. Brazil is classified into 5 distinct regions: the Northern region, Center-West region, Northeast region, Southeast region, and South region. First, I will start with the northern region of Brazil. It is dominated by the Amazon rainforest. 45% of the landmass in Brazil is covered by this area. Second to last in terms of total population, as well as being second to last in terms of total GDP output. In terms of its economy, it is dependent on forestry and mining. To your right, you can see a picture of the Amazon rainforest, and to your left, you can see a mining site. The Northeast region is where Europeans first landed. It has the lowest GDP out of all the regions, and it has an economy dominated by agriculture, the cultivation of cocoa, cotton, and coffee. The Central West region is home to the capital of Brazil, Brasilia. It is the least populated out of all the regions. A majority of its population lives in urban areas. It is the second highest regional GDP, and the economy of the Central West region is dominated by tourism and mining. It is also the fastest growing regional economy. The Southeast region, home to some of the most famous cities in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro and Sao Paulo. Rio has some of the worst squatter homes known as favelas, which you can see here on the left. It is also home to the Christ the Redeemer statue, as well as hosting the 2016 Summer Olympics. According to the Library of Congress, Sao Paulo accounts for over half of the country's industries, and this was seen as the birthplace of modernized agriculture in Brazil. In the southern region, the population is densely populated along the coasts. The economy is dominated by tourism, and according to the World Atlas, it has the lowest crime rate, as well as being known as the safest region to visit in Brazil. Why should feijoada be the national dish of Brazil? Well, there's differences in each region, but this dish can be seen as Brazil's unifier, since each region, no matter its population, economics, or overall importance, can come together and eat and break bread with one another. Feijoada can be seen as something that can break down regional differences and inspire national unity. Feijoada is known as something Brazilians come together to eat not only for Carnival, but almost on a weekly basis. In conclusion, I hope that you vote to choose feijoada as the national dish of Brazil because it breaks down the regional differences that may occur and offers a bread-breaking tool to do so. Thank you.